right, so boom, turn me out, don't turn me down. We back at it with another video today. We got the Canadiens versus the Hurricanes, March 29 to 2026 NHL season. Let's get it. First period.
So here we go.
All right.
Carolina.
In Carolina, where it y'all, let's go.
This regular season, just 10 games left, including today for Carolina.
10 games left?
Did
it not just feel like the season just started? Hell, it just felt like we were just re-adding into the Stanley Cup with the Panthers and the Oilers. It felt like that was just yesterday. What do you mean it's only 10 games left in the season? What? Oh shit, hold on. This is Robinson. Okay, quick shot right there.
That one to the point, it'll find its way over the line.
That's insane, yo. Time really goes by fast, y'all. That's why I always say you gotta live every day like it's gonna be your last, because, bro,
Josh Anderson's gonna be a star for Montreal today.
Time is
illness, so the Canadiens are going 11 forward, 7 defense.
Shot, okay, save.
Carolina crashing the net as Blake gets to it. And Stankoven and Blake trying to work their way on Struble. This will be given away. Chance for Hall. Works its way from
shot.
Miller with a
save.
That's kicked away by Dobish. Stankoven will get to the rebound. And he's sealed against the boards by Alex Newhook, but the puck will come free. Blake looking
turnover
for Stankoven. That's deflected to the
got
corner.
back on the puck.
Blake out in front.
Shot.
Quick shot kicked away with the right leg of Dobish.
Damn, Dobish.
Away from 30.
Hey, Dobish, hey, he in his bag right now, y'all. Early on in this first period. Glove saved by Dobish. Damn, Dobish. Calm down. This man Dobish is not fucking around. Ooh, that rhymed. Nah, but for real though, this man Dobish is not fucking around right now. Making incredible saves early on in this first period.
Slavin will pick it up. He'll get a knuckleball, but Dobish.
Shot got blocked right there. Dobish picked it up.
Hello. A physical presence on the blue line. A chance for Robinson. Robinson drives his shot. That's blocked.
Shot got blocked.
Out in front, and he'll hand it for Aho.
Carolina on the power play, minute 47 on it.
And the Canes.
Good pass. Shot. Glove saved by Dobish.
Work it back up top.
Hey, this is about to be a crazy game.
Looking for a lane.
Just tell from off. Off the glove by Dobish right there.
Canes can keep it in. Aho turns. It'll go off of Jarvis.
Shot. Oh! Power play goal for the Hurricanes, man. All right, some of your Canes. Dobish gonna save that one. That's a goal. Carolina up 1-0.
Great play from Jarvis just inside the blue line. And
that was a wonderful shot.
Velocity.
Wonderful shot.
You can't stop. Andrei Svechnikov.
I thought Dobish was about to get another glove save right there.
Well outside the dots.
That is a great shot right there. I like
short side.
All
right, let's see if the Canadiens can get that goal back. Shot. Got deflected.
By Dobish, he'll get a whistle.
All right.
Montreal. Carrier. We'll play this one.
Yo, I just came back from the dentist, y'all. My mouth is so minty.
Was to sell the backhand.
Oh my gosh.
Don't you think, Shane? And always go
good
back
save
to the
right
forehand. Try to hit the elbow chain. I say that. That's why it gave me goosebumps.
Oh, 2-on-1, 2-on-1. Shot. Saved by Dobish. Whoa. All right, second period.
As you're seeing that,
all right, that was a good first period right there.
Because once he does, he just
face
no
off.
way he's catching up to a
Canes
shot
win
like
it.
that.
I think Dobish was going down far too early.
You kept him quiet here in the first 25 minutes of this game.
Oh, hold on. This was Robinson shot. Glove saved by Dobish.
The only option for Seth. Heck of a play for Freddie. And at this point, Dobish knows.
Copyright music! We're trying to get the video blocked.
Well, hey, I just know Shane always beat me high glove, even when I knew he was going there.
Pass. Shot. Woo! The save.
Kicked away by Dobish. And Montreal, Caulfield.
Stop. Pass shot. That's a goal.
Nick Suzuki finds his way out in front. Caulfield sets him up. It's a 1-1 game.
Suzuki with the goal, man. Caulfield with the assist. Let's see that one more time.
They're able to do so. Dobish gets out and challenges again, makes a big save. Canadiens win a
Caulfield with the puck right here.
And then
pass to Suzuki. That's a goal.
The key play here is Cole Caulfield.
Then we got a Canes player literally running into the net right here. Hopefully he's okay.
He makes a far better play. Gets Keandre Miller to commit.
Good stop and pass right there by
Walker
Caulfield.
can't get to Suzuki in time. And Suzuki is able to tie the game.
All right, we got a tie game.
Quick release. Now there, Freddie Anderson.
Trinity of the Montreal Canadiens has gotten them back into relevancy here in the NHL. Now here's
Good pass. Shot! Woo! Good save!
Shot put right on.
Another save. Shit.
Looking for an out. Flips it high over his netminder, and the Canes can get to it. Hall tips it up. Stankoven back for Hall.
Shot.
Backhand chance and a big save made there.
Good save. Shot a one-hand dive.
Net front from Carolina. Stankoven trying to make a move around Kapanen. He does.
Shot. Was that off the post?
We'll get to the too many men in a second, but I mean you can appreciate
too many men.
I mean that's a perfect shot. It's
no, that's off of Dobish.
A better shoulder reaction from Dobish. I mean,
yeah, that's off of Dobish right there.
Gotten with the mask too, and all of that. Carolina.
He dropped back.
Canadiens on the power play. 55 seconds on it.
Blue line.
Slafkovsky.
Right back, little tip out.
Oh!
Anderson makes the save. Second.
Oh! Good save! Woo! All right, Anderson. Good save. There we go. Good shit, Anderson.
Stick was in the crease. But either way, Anderson, if he feels any type of contact, and real skate was there too, he just keeps going to try to find
Dobson.
10 seconds left on the Canadiens power play.
Away by Jarvis. He'll get it to Aho. Aho looking for Jarvis, finds him. Jarvis forehand.
Oh, save.
Save. And that I admire. I mean, Jarvis, this is a heck of a
oh, good save.
Hall.
Jarvis trying to get that goal right there, y'all.
Make a move, trying to get it out front. He does. Chance there for Stahl. Stahl with a
shot. Save. Get that puck out of here.
Because that's where you might get a bounce if you just get
Canes win the draw
quickly from the offensive blue line.
He was 2-0 against the Canes in his career. In the game that he played on Tuesday. Now
pass, shot. That's a goal. There go that man, Caulfield. Caulfield with the goal. 2-1 Canadiens.
46th of the season. Puts Montreal up
46.
Canadiens in the neutral zone. It was an
46 goal for Caulfield this
Carolina
season.
Couldn't settle. Canadiens come up with it just inside their own blue line, and they're back on the attack.
Anderson couldn't have saved that one, yo.
How good has Suzuki been? He can feel the stick coming from Gostisbehere. Nikishin's trying to
commentators glazing Suzuki,
from
man.
The other side and the quickness of the release. He's got a goal.
W Glaze, man. W Glaze. Suzuki, Caulfield. Hey, that's a good duo right there, though. Suzuki and Caulfield, y'all. That's a good duo. But you know, I like my Celebrini and Smith duo better, though. But hey, Suzuki and Caulfield is a heck of a duo, though. Canadiens win the draw. One pass, one more shot. Oh, save! Oh, that's a goal! Woo! Second chance opportunity. Power play goal. The first shot was saved. Second shot got him.
Wins the draw with his skate.
Good job winning the draw, man. That's what set this up.
Possession, schematics of a power play.
Yep.
Breakdown.
Exactly what set this up right here.
That Suzuki is as wide open as he is.
Look at Suzuki. Shot. Got his own rebound. Second shot goal.
Suzuki follows it up for his third point of the period.
That boy going crazy, bro. Third point. Third point for Suzuki for the whole game.
And here we go, third period.
Or you can say for that whole second period. That is crazy work. All right, third period. Canadiens up 3-1.
Chip now, Svechnikov.
Shot.
That goes off the crossbar.
Off the crossbar.
You look at it now.
Still a lot of time for the Canes to tie up this game. Only down by 2 goals.
And Jeff Gordon, the former Ranger general manager involved in hockey operations before the game, they've done a nice job signing those.
Damn, that hit!
Involved in hockey operations before the game,
boom,
done a nice
shit!
Job signing those defensemen. Big hit.
Carrier.
You got a Stanley Cup champion.
Got a whistle after that.
In Will
that was a crazy hit.
Oh, you need this hit. Puck had just left through the body. And if the Hurricanes are able to get, you know, a jolt of life here.
Good reach there, but unable to take. Now second opportunity, and the Canes can go.
2-on-1.
Walker,
shot, save
made. Now, Sean Walker in a bit of difficulty. And Caulfield will come in. Anderson makes the save.
Save.
Knocked down by Hall.
Got less than 4 minutes, Canes. Y'all got to turn up. Don't turn me down. Shot. Save.
By Dobish with the rebounds available.
Glove save right there by Dobish, y'all.
This one will be chipped away by Caulfield and back into the Cane zone. Right back up.
Oh, oh. Shot. Saved again by Dobish. Holy.
Working around.
Bro, it's a madman. Oh, yeah, that's GG's. Canadiens won.
3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Hey, Suzuki, Caulfield, Dobish. Hey, them three right there. MVPs for this game for sure. Hey, man, but comment down below. How do y'all feel about this Canadiens 3-1 win against the Hurricanes? And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, man.